guys, and I'm here with the lovely ladies of Fifth Harmony, and we are at Chorus Karaoke. So let's do a little singing, right, ladies? Yeah. All right, we have to make the hard decision. What song are we gonna sing?
Girls.
All right, it's a heavy book. I know. So girls, tell me, what's your go-to karaoke song?
Say My Name.
Say My Name? Yeah. It's a good one.
Mine is, oh my gosh, I always used to sing I Will Survive by Gloria Gaynor, like all the time.
Mine was You Be Listen by Beyonce. That was like
Mine's Too Little Too Late by JoJo.
Oh my god,
Talk a little bit about the first single, Miss Moving On. It's got almost 3 million views on YouTube almost.
Wow!
I know. Is there any funny moments that happened on set while you guys were shooting?
Camila, they gave her a picture.
Oh my god! Your hair looks like a mermaid.
I know, and my face is super awkward, but the cool part is I got to break up with a boyfriend I never even had.
Yeah!
I know who you are.
Because you guys have been spending a lot of time in the tour bus, right?
Yeah.
Best part and worst part.
Okay, worst part is definitely you cannot go to the bathroom if you have to go. You have to tell people when you gotta go.
Yeah. Well, I'd say the best part is like when we go into bed, like we have like a little curtain, so you have your own area and space. Because like after when you perform, you just want to
go to sleep.
Yeah.
And have your me time.
Yeah. There are so many different options. It's so hard to choose. I'm overwhelmed. There's In the Club, which totally describes me in my life.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Girls, I got it. I have the perfect song. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah! Let's go sing it.
Oh, baby, baby.
One more time.
Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Yeah, that something wasn't right, yeah. Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. And now you're out of sight, yeah. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know now what because my loneliness is killing me. And I must confess, I still believe.
One last question.
Yeah.
Can I be in the group?
Duh.
Yeah.
Yeah.